where do we take the data from? If you maintain a good network structure, data from sensors can provide additional insights for data science needs. Servo motors with high-resolution rotation monitoring provide extremely useful insights on the performance of rotating equipment. Vision systems and line scanners provide perfect high-resolution insight for quality inspection. Servo amplifiers are controlling motors with high precision, but they also recognize lots of potential problems related to the mechanical surroundings. Modern and advanced industrial networks such as CC-Link IETSN provide a large bandwidth to transfer the control and motion data, but they also provide a space for additional insights from various equipment. Robot arms provide invaluable data regarding production speed, volume, and mechanical surroundings. When you've collected the data, it's time to analyze it.